This is Dan here with Drywall Solutions, and today we're going to be showing you how to mix some setting type joint compound. We have some 20-minute hot mud setting type joint compound, bag mud, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, I'm going to be showing you how I mix it. And there's a bunch of different, like anything, there's a bunch of different ways to do it, but this is how I do it, and I'm going to show you how to get it done. Okay, y'all, this is my bottom of my Gatorade bottle. If you watch any of my videos, I talked about this in one of the other videos and stuff like that, but here we go. Take a whole cup. I like to mix my Easy Sand with a smaller knife. This right here is 1.5 inches. Stainless steel, that way I ain't gotta worry about it rusting. Here we go. I take 3 even scoops. Okay, on this third one here, I like to stick it, I like to thin a little bit off, because if not, it'd end up being a little bit too thick. Make sure you always scrape the sides of the pan all the way around. And after I get it mixing pretty good, I like to need a touch of water. Don't need much. And just like that, we're ready to go. How long was that? It won't long at all. Okay, y'all, one thing I'm talking about here is I like to keep my pan clean, because if you have a dirty pan, it has a tendency to make the Easy Sand setup, especially if you get that glaze on the side. That's all a chemical reaction where everything is already setting up. So I like to keep my pan clean. I always got a brush. Always like to take my brush and clean this thing up afterwards. Make sure it's nice and clean on the outside, inside. Always like to clean my knives off regularly. Mixing the way I mix mud, or the way I mix this Easy Sand, is you can get anywhere from about, it depends on what you're doing, about 6 to 8 pans before you have to clean. Now just a minute, that's 6 to 8 pans a 20-minute. That's a lot. Hope this helps you out there when you're mixing and stuff like that. And I got a few more tips there to show you about mixing some Easy Sand a little bit later on. You get some boogers and stuff in it, but I'll be telling you about that. And anyway, we're talking about this. I had a gentleman guess what the secret fabric was. It's garden fabric that you put in your garden or in your flower bed to stop the weeds from coming through it. Anyway, you can use that as a substitute for that fiberfuse in the large rolls and stuff like that, and it works just as good, but it's a lot cheaper. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Well, I'll let you later.